Hey y'all, this is Darlene Liker. This morning we are making wipes. So, like the ones that pop up that you clean with, we are going to use a paper towel, preferably, I'm going to say this just because I prefer them, Bounty or Viva, and they're the select-a-size kind, because you want to be able to tear off that perfect little wipe size. As you can see, I'm cutting it in half, and as I'm cutting it, I'm turning it to get all the way through. There we go, that easy right there. And then I have a gallon size bag that's the freezer kind because they're heavy duty and they'll go anywhere. And they don't take up a whole lot of space. You can toss them in your car. You can take them wherever. I have 2 cups of water. Thieves household cleaner by Young Living. Yes, if you want some of that goodness and you're not a member, hit me up. I'm gonna put 2 capfuls in there. Just because you never know what kind of stuff you're going to come across. And I'm also going to add some tea tree oil, and y'all just guess why you're going to use that. If you don't know, Google all the goodness tea tree can do for you. It's about 10 drops. And I'll just use my finger, stir this goodness up. And now I'm just going to pour it all over the white part. Well, I guess you can pour it anywhere, but pour it all in there. Let it set for a minute. You know what? I'm gonna close it up first. And I'm gonna temp it over, let all that goodness get absorbed. And you're probably wondering, well, that cardboard's in there. Well, yeah, that cardboard's getting ready to come out, so easy peasy for you. You just grab it, kind of wiggle it around, loosen it up, because it's nice and soft now because of the water or the wetness. And then pull it out, voila. There's that cardboard tube. It's ready to go. And then start pulling those babies from the middle, because they will just tear so much easier if you do that. And they're perforated, so first one's going to be kind of a mess coming out of there, but you can still use it, which I wouldn't do on this table. But look. And this is why I say use Bounty or Viva, because this is not. And they come apart. So I just did not buy those yesterday. There you go. Live well, y'all.